guys, let's start with SAP start stop procedure in Linux. So we'll see first. So as the first step is to start Oracle database, so I'm already with Aura SID and I'm just connecting to SQL, like how we connected from command prompt, like this. As is DBA, we will connect SQL plus as is DBA. See, again same, connect to ideal instance. We use startup directly. And once this database is opened, come out from SQL or check the status, like select query status from v dollar instance. You can see open, come out from SQL. Don't forget this. Some people will run listener command also from SQL only sometimes, and they will get error. They will confuse there. Come out from SQL properly, and now lsnr-ctl start will give you, so I wrote something wrong, lsnr-ctl space start, lsnr listener ctl, so this is the wrong. I'll write it again here, lsnr-ctl start. This is the command, will give you listener start. As it is started already, it is saying already started. So once this is done, the two steps are done. Now you have to start SAP with your SID ADM. So I'll just create a duplicate session and my SID is NWQ. So NWQ ADM, and I'll give the password. And here to start SAP, before that I'll check R3 trans minus D. It should give us 0000. Once this is perfect, let's go to start SAP R3. If you give the start SAP R3, it only starts SAP. Whether database is up and running or not, it won't check all those things. When you give start SAP, it check for DB status, and if DB is installed on same host, it can start DB also. When the DB is hosted in separate host, or when the DB is on with a separate SID, so as NWQ ADM does not contains the authorizations to start the DB, then only it won't stop. It won't start. But usually, when you start SAP in application DB installed in same host, such kind of scenarios, it will bring up your SAP DB as well. So here, already my DB is up and running. I use start SAP R3. Again I did a mistake, start SAP R3. So it will check for the database, and database is running. It is already telling because we started, and our RC is also 0 here, and it tries to start AACS first. See here, and if AAC is not starting, you can go here and check the log as well. And after AACS starts, now instance starts, it is starting primary application server. It is also started. So how can I say it is started? By seeing the color coding, I have to tell. So I can use SAP control minus NR. You can see here above the instance number is 02. So 02 minus function get process list. No need to get any information from anyone. By starting itself, you can identify your instance number here and put the same in this command. So see here, dispatcher green, watchdog green, gateway green, ICM green. So when we try to connect with SAP here by putting 1.48 entry, I'll just edit this 1.48 and it is 02, it is NWQ. See, so RAMX during SAP log, it's a separate issue. My SAP is up and running. We have to put some parameter for this kind of error, leave it. So this is the process of starting a SAP. Now I want to stop SAP now. Stop SAP R3 I can use, but I am not using stop SAP R3. I use stop SAP. We'll see what happens. And before using that, I'll tell you one thing. Here to stop Oracle database, you guys already knows it. Just we'll go to SQL plus / as sysdba. In this video you already saw how to stop database in Windows. The process is same. Shut immediate we use, but I'm not using this here. I'm trying in another way to stop. So I'm just giving stop SAP. So before giving this stop SAP, we'll show you the database status. Select status from v $instance. See, okay, select status from unknown, select, okay, the spelling itself wrong here, sorry. Select status from v $instance. That's it. It is open, right? Let's stop it via stop SAP command. So see DB is running, so stopping the database, stopping the instance, sorry. So once the instance, which one is stopping? Whatever the instance is started in the last, that will be stopped first as per our this diagram. So starting sequence will be like this, stopping will be like this. So first stops SAP, right? So that is what happening here. It stops 02 first, after that it starts ACS, and after that, see, trying to stop database, log file will be written here. So we'll see after this stop, we'll see whether the DB went down or not. I'll just execute this again. So this one, see what it is saying, connection lost, which means DB is down. When the DB is down, you cannot run SQL queries as well. SQL plus / as sysdba. You can see here connected to ideal instance, which means my command of stop SAP will stop SAP and DB as well. So in my case, maybe some kernel upgrade is doing, no need to bring down the database, right? So at that time we can't use this command. Oh, at that time what we do? Stop SAP R3 we use. We want to some like we have a activity of this particular server. What I can say, like this server patching is there. I want to stop SAP, I want to stop DB. So at the time, no need to hit two commands. Directly stop SAP will help us to bring down the SAP application and DB. So like that, according to the situation, we have to use the commands. So if you guys have any queries, you can ping in the comment box. We will try to answer you guys. Thank you everyone. We will connect with one more topic.